Hi, my name is Omobola. I am a singer, songwriter, actress, model, the whole shebang. Well, I just love art, and I also happen to love makeup. And today I'll be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. Yeah, 5-minute makeup challenge. Full look. And for those of us who do makeup, we know that 5 minutes is really pushing it. It's not enough time, nowhere near enough time, to do a full look, with the whole like eyeshadow, lashes, contouring, highlight, foundation. It's gonna take you like 25 minutes minimum to an hour. Okay, it depends who you are, like if you're some makeup pro, yes. But I mean, for someone like me who's good at doing her own makeup, right, and I've done a few people's makeup before, I mean, yeah, 25 minutes min, I think is enough for me to do it, because you want to take time to do it nice. So should we just get right into it? Here's my phone so I can time myself. So I just want to show you 5 minutes. Yeah, and I've got everything. I'm going to prep my face because I've got dry skin. I've got quite dry skin, so I'm going to be using my moisturizing lotion. I use it on my body too, but it works. It works. So here we go. Wish me luck. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Start. Okay, started. Okay. So, oh yeah, I did not use hand sanitizer, guys. I mean, I did use it like 2 minutes ago, but I don't know. You know what? I have 5 minutes. I have not enough time. Okay. All right. So that's my face moisturizer. Oh shoot! I'm gonna just pop some foundation. Okay. So this is. I'm just putting on some primer right now from L'Oreal Paris. Okay. Under my eyes. On my lids, neck, so I'm going to put some foundation on my neck as well. Alright, moving on to the foundation. Oh shoot, how long? Okay, I still have 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Beauty blender, okay. I'm actually like panicking, guys. Oh my god, it's not easy. Okay. Literally, I learned this hack, like just do the 3B. And that and you can just like wipe your face. Literally. Usually I dab because it's like, apparently it's the preferred method. I don't know. But I think in this case, because we're trying to be quick, yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it. And so it spreads across evenly. Okay. Oh, I really don't think I've done. Guys, I'm not even using a mirror. Like, how would I know how my makeup looks? Okay, here we are. Okay. I'm gonna move on because obviously I have 3 minutes 10 seconds, guys. Shoot. Okay. Highlight. So I'm gonna use LA Pro Girl Concealer. Just gonna go on under my eyes. Shoot, I don't even have enough, guys. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. How can you do your makeup in 5 minutes? I don't even know how people do that. Like, and guys, I know this is like weird, but I'm just gonna put the highlight under my brows, just so like when it's time for me to do my brows, it can be easily defined. I don't know if that makes any sense whatsoever, but we do not have enough time to explain, so let's just move on. Okay, so, oh yeah, I didn't even put it on my nose. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be talking now. I ain't even talking anymore. Okay. Yeah, I just put it on the areas that need it. And basically I'm just gonna go in again with the beauty blender. No, before I do that, I know I look a mess right now, but before I do that, I'm just gonna do my brows. Like, I think that's the best thing to do. How many? Oh, I've got 1 minute 59 seconds, guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some blush on as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, because I think blush is gonna look cute. I'm obviously gonna blend all this in, but I just want to get my blush there. highlight as well, possibly if I have time. No, let me blend. I think that's the best thing to do right now. Blend, because there's no time. Guys, this is crazy. What? How can you do your makeup in 5 minutes? Like, I don't understand. Why is there such... Anyway, that's why it's a challenge, right? Okay. Oh, it's gonna be any minute. How many? Okay, 1 minute and 12 seconds. Okay. I might be able, guys, to get everything I want in. Possibly. Why is there a bee coming to my face? Gee. Oh yeah, it's outside. Okay, not bad. Okay, how long? Okay, 48 seconds, guys. So I'm gonna put on some mascara, and it's from Collection brand. Okay, and then yeah, I'm done with mascara. I'm gonna put some highlight above my cheeks in it, just to give it a little bit some shazam, and on my nose as well. And yeah, I wanted to do my brows, but I don't know if I have time, so yeah, I think I'll just leave it. Okay, wait, actually, it's not beeping yet, so I have time. I don't think I do, but let's see. Voila! 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes, guys. What do we think? Oh my god. Okay. Will I go out like this? Yes, possibly. Obviously I need to like remove that, but yeah, it's, you know, it's kind of like I've got quite a sun-kissed look going on, and I put on Vaseline before, so on my lips, so I think I wish I had more time. But yeah, hope you liked it. If you'd like more content, please subscribe, like, share if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Thank you, and take care. Bye.